Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we voiced the sentences used in daily life. Listen carefully and repeat the sentences. You can turn on subtitles if you wish. Let's start.
I can't think otherwise.
I can't think otherwise.
He witnessed the accident.
He witnessed the accident.
I hate your cooking.
I hate your cooking.
Susan burst into tears.
Susan burst into tears.
Horses can sense fear.
Horses can sense fear.
Tom is very incompetent.
Tom is very incompetent.
Things have calmed down.
Things have calmed down.
It may well rain.
It may well rain.
The salt ran out.
The salt ran out.
He is quite right.
He is quite right.
Are you free tonight?
Are you free tonight?
Tom always works hard.
Tom always works hard.
Which one is correct?
Which one is correct?
There are no witnesses.
There are no witnesses.
He's funny and cool.
He's funny and cool.
I should have been ready.
I should have been ready.
The funeral was yesterday.
The funeral was yesterday.
Tom doesn't understand Mary.
Tom doesn't understand Mary.
It's obviously a lie.
It's obviously a lie.
The research is completed?
The research is completed?
What's going to happen?
What's going to happen?
It's all but impossible.
It's all but impossible.
You came at 5.
You came at 5.
The car broke down.
The car broke down.
How was your birthday?
How was your birthday?
My throat is scratchy.
My throat is scratchy.
Don't mention the war.
Don't mention the war.
How many were they?
How many were they?
What a tasty cake.
What a tasty cake.
Don't be a victim.
Don't be a victim.
Don't worry about others.
Don't worry about others.
She has great charm.
She has great charm.
They haven't found him.
They haven't found him.
He accepted our offer.
He accepted our offer.
Are you Mary's husband?
Are you Mary's husband?
Can I sit there?
Can I sit there?
Who pronounced this sentence?
Who pronounced this sentence?
I'll be back tonight.
I'll be back tonight.
Let's not play tennis.
Let's not play tennis.
Do you speak Latin?
Do you speak Latin?
She raised her hand.
She raised her hand.
Kids really want balloons.
Kids really want balloons.
We should talk first.
We should talk first.
Tom traveled first class.
Tom traveled first class.
I'm a good sailor.
I'm a good sailor.
Cats have 7 lives.
Cats have 7 lives.
Japanese houses are small.
Japanese houses are small.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. This is a wig.
This is a wig.
Don't underestimate my power.
Don't underestimate my power.
Put his address down.
Put his address down.
It's not that far.
It's not that far.
He must love you.
He must love you.
Did I say something?
Did I say something?
I figured you'd understand.
I figured you'd understand.
I know I'm rambling.
I know I'm rambling.
They visited me occasionally.
They visited me occasionally.
He has no remorse.
He has no remorse.
Where's the bus stop?
Where's the bus stop?
I remember this map.
I remember this map.
I think you panicked.
I think you panicked.
He was at home.
He was at home.
Tom didn't know Mary.
Tom didn't know Mary.
Let's hold that thought.
Let's hold that thought.
I think that's true.
I think that's true.
I expect to come.
I expect to come.
His room's a mess.
His room's a mess.
I can't accept this.
I can't accept this.
This experiment was unsuccessful.
This experiment was unsuccessful.
I don't waste time.
I don't waste time.
Push the door carefully.
Push the door carefully.
This table is wooden.
This table is wooden.
Why did they argue?
Why did they argue?
What did Tom forget?
What did Tom forget?
Baby animals are cute.
Baby animals are cute.
Please do this immediately.
Please do this immediately.
I traveled about Europe.
I traveled about Europe.
Aren't you guys coming?
Aren't you guys coming?
Tom is a conservative.
Tom is a conservative.
Your shoes are untied.
Your shoes are untied.
What's your real opinion?
What's your real opinion?
Does Tom already know?
Does Tom already know?
The sentence is okay.
The sentence is okay.
Who is your lawyer?
Who is your lawyer?
I'm through with Mary.
I'm through with Mary.
Things can change quickly.
Things can change quickly.
Does that make sense?
Does that make sense?
Tom could speak French.
Tom could speak French.
Never in a lifetime.
Never in a lifetime.
Try to be yourself.
Try to be yourself.
We need more workers.
We need more workers.
We have to party.
We have to party.
Hi, are you okay?
Hi, are you okay?
Staying home isn't fun.
Staying home isn't fun.
They work at night.
They work at night.
Now don't be frightened.
Now don't be frightened.
She hit him hard.
She hit him hard.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment. You can write your suggestions and requests in the comments. Let's continue. Keep it simple, stupid.
Keep it simple, stupid.
The victory excited us.
The victory excited us.
I read a book.
I read a book.
It's a life-size statue.
It's a life-size statue.
You'll regret it someday.
You'll regret it someday.
Try to be polite.
Try to be polite.
He lives in Kyoto.
He lives in Kyoto.
She parades her wealth.
She parades her wealth.
Betty likes classical music.
Betty likes classical music.
I'll dream about you.
I'll dream about you.
I like working here.
I like working here.
It costs too much.
It costs too much.
He has 11 children.
He has 11 children.
I like to sing.
I like to sing.
We get along well.
We get along well.
Everyone lies to me.
Everyone lies to me.
I made the train.
I made the train.
My heart failed me.
My heart failed me.
Spring comes after winter.
Spring comes after winter.
Should I include her?
Should I include her?
I don't see him.
I don't see him.
Where should I transfer?
Where should I transfer?
I woke her up.
I woke her up.
I can't play piano.
I can't play piano.
My mouth is dry.
My mouth is dry.
Eat your soup, please.
Eat your soup, please.
Don't get too familiar.
Don't get too familiar.
Who's coming to help?
Who's coming to help?
There's nowhere to hide.
There's nowhere to hide.
I believe in him.
I believe in him.
They've been here before.
They've been here before.
But he was lucky.
But he was lucky.
It was so beautiful.
It was so beautiful.
Fall is finally coming.
Fall is finally coming.
Today is my birthday.
Today is my birthday.
When did TV appear?
When did TV appear?
You will be hungry.
You will be hungry.
I looked around me.
I looked around me.
That wasn't Tom's choice.
That wasn't Tom's choice.
What's your favorite food?
What's your favorite food?
I come from Japan.
I come from Japan.
Tom probably needs help.
Tom probably needs help.
Somebody might stop me.
Somebody might stop me.
I'll make her understand.
I'll make her understand.
He was fast asleep.
He was fast asleep.
Nothing surprises me anymore.
Nothing surprises me anymore.
Winter is coming soon.
Winter is coming soon.
Tom's letters stopped coming.
Tom's letters stopped coming.
I paid in cash.
I paid in cash.
No, you're not excused.
No, you're not excused.
They're discussing the problem.
They're discussing the problem.
They're discussing the problem.
They're discussing the problem.
There's no other damage.
There's no other damage.